Hello, and welcome back to another biology tutorial, my fellow students. So we've been talking about meiosis and the law of segregation for a little bit now. So you are going to have the opportunity to model this yourselves. So back in the day, pre-pandemic, we had a hands-on activity that we would use here, but to avoid sharing materials, it has been converted to a Google slideshow. The only slides you need to worry about today are 1, 2, and 3. So for slide number 1, it gives you a brief introduction, and it's as follows. We have seen that in order for genetic material to be passed from parents to offspring, gametes or sex cells are produced. During this process, called meiosis, cells reduce their number of chromosomes by half. Because this process can be a little confusing, in this activity, you will have the opportunity to model the process in action. As you create your model, make sure to pay attention to the number of chromosomes in each cell, as well as what happens to the alleles during the process. So your task is begin by reviewing the steps of meiosis using your notes. Model the process of meiosis using the appropriate it says pipe cleaners, but pretend like the chromosomes you'll see later are pipe cleaners. Document your work in your notebook, if you so choose. Review your sketches and model to determine what happens to the alleles from the parent cell during and at the end of the process of meiosis. So we aren't going to be using pipe cleaners this year because, again, just sharing materials. We don't want anybody getting sick. You can write this in your notebook if you want, but I wanted to give you the option of using a slideshow just because I know some people struggle with uploading pictures, and it'll be easier to do on a Google slideshow regardless. It's just in one place. So all you need to complete today is this. So describe what's happening at each step. So in step 1, right here, what's going on with the chromosomes? Okay, so what do we see? So we're looking at this big R, little r situation right here. And I want you to take note of what's happening from this set of chromosomes to right here. You'll write what's happening right here. Just a brief overview. 1 or 2 sentences will do. In step 2, what is happening here? So in step 2, what has happened? Again, give me a sentence or 2 kind of describing that. Step 3 goes from these circles, these cells, to these cells down here. So discuss what you see happening right here. Describe what is happening at each step. And again, use your notes to help you. This is an open note activity. It's practice, but this is all you have to complete for today. Good luck, and let me know if you